All right, hey guys, so we got to talk. I realized that if I try to vlog every day and post it, I'm gonna have a lot of days, probably have really boring content. And I don't wanna bore you guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the title of the videos. Instead of saying day 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 I'm gonna do episodes. And then I will promise you, I will post at least once a week. I'm gonna shoot for twice a week. To give you guys updates, let you see what's going on. I'll try to keep them short, and that's it. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you agree or don't agree. I know I've missed a few days now as far as videoing and uploading. There's a video, I'm gonna post this video, which has footage from a couple of days ago where I did a little bit of work, and I'll let you guys know about that. Otherwise, and then tomorrow I gotta go out of town for a couple of days or for a night. Yeah, I'll do a little bit of, maybe I'll do some footage for that. It might be interesting, I don't know. It's kind of an interesting story, I won't tell you right now. But that's it. So anyway, like, subscribe, hope you enjoy the video. Peace. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a couple of days. So life got in the way, it does. And I'm finally back out here, and it is now day 195. Oh, here we go. There we go. Right, so we have 95 days until LS Fest. It's okay, you know, I mean, I didn't vlog every day like I said I was going to, but that's all right, I'll keep trying. That's all you gotta do, right? Just keep trying. So, where I'm at right now, what I'm doing today is I've got the frame up under the car where I want it. It's all level and square. I was kind of freaking out just a minute ago about this front end, because if I measure this from the firewall to here, because this is all square, but when I measure from the firewall to here and the firewall to there, there's a 1/4 of an inch difference. There's just about a 1/4 of an inch difference. Janelle helped me realize that it's actually the firewall that's different. That side is a little pushed out. Yeah, I mean, because as you can see, there's a little bit of more of a gap there than there is there. I don't think it's gonna matter, just because I know and I'm confident that the frame is square. So it doesn't really matter if the body's square, as long as I get the track, when I put the front end in, as long as I get the track squared front to back, that's all that really matters. And it's like I said, it's a 1/4 of an inch, even though 1/4 of an inch could be a big deal, it could not be a big deal. I don't think it's gonna be a big deal, so I'm gonna go with it. I still only have things tacked like this. I've got to figure some stuff out about back here. So this is what I got going on back here, right? So I got that, which I need to move. I'm gonna have to undo this, move that back a little bit, because I want that more up there, and I got to cut a couple pieces more pieces out. I got to cut that piece out, and I'm gonna cut a couple pieces back there I need to cut out. I need to cut this piece out right here, this piece right here out, because I want to move, like I said, I'll move that back. I want to put a cross member here. I want to put an actual piece of the 2x3 across here for this one, and then this one back here, I want one back here because I want it for the 3-link, but that's going to be in the way. With that being straight like that, that's going to be in the way, I think, of the drive line. So I'm going to have to either figure out how to put one above the rail, the frame rail. Either I'm going to have to put it above there, the longer one, and tack it down, or I'm going to have to make a little hump in this one or something, because as it is right now, that's going to be in the way of the drive line, I'm pretty sure, because I don't want it. It's going to decrease the amount that I will have the ride height of the car. I think I'm going to leave that one for now and wait until, I might have to wait until I actually get a rear differential, and I'm gonna have to wait till I get a rear differential and a transmission. All right, so this video today is a little short. It's just kind of a catch up and let you guys know where I'm at, and let you know I'm still working on it, even though I missed a couple days. Anyway, so I got this thing dropped back down again. I'm gonna go ahead and grind off that cross member there, move it to where it needs to go, and work on the other one. I gotta do a little plasma cutting. Gotta get the torch out, which is always fun, making lots of sparks. I got these guys made, kind of my prototypes, see how they're gonna work up under the frame. And that's it. So that's about it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this, put the bell on if you want notifications when I put up a new video. 95 days, we're still humming. Peace.